Hey, this is Nick and welcome to Borsellino Carpentry. So in today's video, I'm doing something a little different. If you know anything about me, I love tools. And I was working at a customer's house and they had this lawnmower laying around that they weren't using. They have somebody that mows the lawn for them. And I asked them if it was just laying around, what they were doing with it. She's like, oh, you want it? You can have it. So I took it, and basically, this is my old lawnmower. It's a Craftsman gas-powered lawnmower. This is a WORX lawnmower that is battery-powered. So it's pretty cool. It comes with two batteries, charger, the side port, and then a bag for the back. I'm not going to use the bag. So to put the batteries in, you just open this little flap here, and push them in, and there's even an indicator, so these are full. Right? And to release them, you just push that and they pop out. And there's a turbo mode, IntelliCut, it's IntelliCut, so there's turbo mode and eco mode. And I'm just gonna leave it on turbo mode. Like I said, I'm not gonna use the bag, I'm gonna use the port, so it's pretty easy. This thing lifts up, and this just has a couple little clips here that clip onto this part. And then the spring holds that in place. So now all the grass will shoot out. Now you will notice the battery one, the WORX one, is 19 inches and the Craftsman is 22 inches. So that is a little smaller, but my yard is really small. So it's only gonna add another couple passes. Now a normal gas mower, you gotta prime it a few times. Pull the handle. Loud. This thing, push the button, pull the handle. It's way quieter than that thing. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna set up the camera down there and I'm gonna mow a little bit with each one just to see how they handle this grass. So I just mowed this a little over a week ago and it's already, 10 inches tall in spots. This is where the dog pees. I think it's the nitrogen in the pee makes the grass grow taller. And then where I'm standing here, there's like no grass. So we're gonna see how this thing does with this. I've been mowing it the last couple times with the battery mower, and it's been blowing my mind how good it actually is. And I don't have to use gas, it doesn't stink, it's not as loud. So we're gonna see if it'll chop down some of this stuff. Now, I've got pretty bad allergies, so I'm going to wear a dust mask for this. I'm already sniffling. I'll start with the gas mower first. Okay, so that did pretty good. It didn't bog down at all. Now let's try this puppy. So it didn't bog down at all, it cut the grass the same. Yeah, I mean, this thing's great. I don't ever have to buy gasoline again and deal with any of that stuff. So I'll set the camera up back there and mow the rest of the lawn and we'll be good to go. All right, well that's the backyard. I'm gonna do the front, which is way smaller. My property actually comes to here, but it looks like my neighbor has already mowed. But I'll mow it again anyway. And the same thing here, this fence line is my property, so I'm just gonna mow from here over. So as you can see, that thing did just fine. Did the whole lawn. And I did a test the first time I used this. I mowed the whole back, the whole front, And then I mowed the whole back again, and when I got to the front, the battery died. So as long as I just take the batteries out now, bring them inside, charge them, I'll be good to go for next time. So I give this 2 thumbs up. If you like this, got anything out of it, let me know in the comments, and I'll see you on the next video.